would like to introduce a reliable and easy-to-use title strap to you. This product is made of high-quality polyester webbing and features a durable zinc-plated cam buckle, offering excellent strength, good corrosion resistance, and a long service life. The cam buckle is simple to operate, allowing for quick tightening and easy release without the need for any additional tools. Just press the cam lever to adjust the strap length. Key features of this product include: first, a zinc-plated cam buckle with excellent corrosion resistance. Second, high-strength webbing to ensure secure cargo fastening. Third, one-time operation for fast and convenient adjustment. Fourth, a lightweight, reusable design and availability in various lengths, widths, and colors. It's suitable for securing various types of cargo and transportation loads, such as boxes, luggage, motorcycles, bicycles, kayaks, and more.